Today we are going to see about plant anatomy and plant physiology. In that we are going to see about internal structure of monocot stem. If we take a transverse section of monocot stem, we can reveal the following structure. Epidermis. It is the outermost layer. It is made up of single layer of parenchyma cells. It is covered with thick cuticle. Multicellular hairs are absent and stomata are also less in number. Hypodermis is made up of few layers of sclerenchyma cells interrupted by chlorenchyma cells. Sclerenchyma cell is called strengthening tissue of a plant. Edge of the cells are thickened, usually lignified. Chlorenchyma. The cells have chlorophyll in them, so they are called as chlorenchyma. Since they are having chlorophyll, they help in photosynthesis. Sclerenchyma cells provide mechanical support to plant. Ground tissue. The entire mass of the parenchyma cell next to hypodermis and extending to the center is called ground tissue. It is not differentiated into endodermis, cortex, pericycle and pith. Vascular bundle. Vascular bundles are skull shaped and scattered in the ground tissue. Scattered means the vascular bundles are present here and there, not in a ring shaped. Vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, endarc and closed. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by few layer of sclerenchyma cells called bundle sheath. Xylem. It consists of metaxylem and protoxylem. The xylem which are bigger in size is called as metaxylem, and which is smaller it is called as protoxylem. Xylem vessels are arranged in V or Y shape. In mature vascular bundle, the lowermost protoxylem disintegrate. Disintegrate means to break into small pieces and form a cavity. This is called protoxylem lacuna. Phloem. It consists of sieve tube elements and companion cells. Phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers are absent. Pith. Pith is not differentiated into monocot stem. Next, internal structure of dicot or dorsiventral leaf. If we take a transverse section of the leaf, we can see the following structure. Upper epidermis. This is the outermost layer made up of single layered parenchymatous cell without intercellular space, without gap. The outer wall of the cell is covered by cuticle. Stomata are less in number. Lower epidermis. It is a single layer of parenchymatous cell with a thin cuticle. It contains numerous stomata. Chloroplasts are present only in the guard cells. The lower epidermis helps in the exchange of gases. The loss of water vapor is facilitated through this chamber. Mesophyll. The tissue present between the upper and the lower epidermis is called mesophyll. It is differentiated into palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma. It is found just below the upper epidermis. The cells are elongated. These cells have more number of chloroplasts. The cells do not have any intercellular space and they take part in photosynthesis. Spongy parenchyma. It is found below the palisade parenchyma tissue. Cells are almost spherical or oval and are irregularly arranged. Cells have intercellular space, means they have gap in between them. More spaces are present. It helps in gaseous exchange. Vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral and closed. Conjoint means if xylem and phloem lies on the same radius, then it is said to be conjoint bundle. Collateral, if xylem lies towards the center and phloem lies towards the periphery, then the vascular bundle is said to be collateral. If collateral bundle is without cambium, then the vascular bundle is said to be closed. It is mostly seen in monocot stem. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by sheath of parenchymatous cells called bundle sheath. Each vascular bundle consists of xylem lying towards the upper epidermis and the phloem towards the lower epidermis. Next, we are going to see about internal structure of monocot or isobilateral leaf. In the cross section of the monocot leaf, we see the following structure. Epidermis. Monocot leaf has upper and lower epidermis. Is made up of parenchyma cell. Cuticle is present on the outer wall. Data are present on both upper and lower epidermis. Some cells of the upper epidermis are larger and thin-walled. They are known as bulliform cells. Mesophyll. It is the ground tissue that is present between both epidermal layer. Mesophyll is not differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. The cells are irregularly arranged with intercellular space. These cells contain chloroplast. Vascular bundles. Large number of vascular bundles are present. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by parenchymatous bundle sheath. Vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral and closed. Xylem is present towards the upper epidermis and phloem towards the lower epidermis. Conjoint means xylem and phloem lie on the same radius. Collateral means xylem lies towards the center and phloem lies towards the periphery. Closed means if cambium is absent in between the xylem and phloem, then it is called as closed.